Hello guys, good to see you again. So we are to discuss index number under statistics. So what is this index number? This can be defined as a statistical measure of a variable or groups of variables related with respect to its value in a specified year. This specified year is also known as base year or base period, e.g. cash crops, petroleum products, aluminum products, and so on and so forth. Anything that can be identified to have a data, you can use index number to calculate it. Now, under my definition, I made mention of variable. These variables can be related with respect to its value, price, and quantity. So when it is related with respect to its price, we call it price indices. Then when it is related with respect to its quantity, we call it volume indices. Then when it is related with respect to its value, we call it value of indices. Now, what is the importance of this index number? One, it enables one to forecast business or economic conditions. Two, it enhances the comparison of price related from one year to the other. Now let's look at how to compute this index number. The first one we shall be looking at here now is PRI, which is price relative index number. Price relative index number. And it's given as PRI is equals to the price of a given commodity in a given period by the price of a given commodity in a specified year. Because I told you that specified year is also known as base period. So where P subscript N is the given price of a commodity in a year. Then P subscript 0 is the given price of a commodity in a specified year. Now the next one now is SPI, which is simple price index number. Simple price index number. So how can this be computed? It can be computed by the summation of all the price of related item in a given year by the summation of the price of related commodity in a specified year, expressed in percentage. That's how to do it. Now the next one we shall be looking at now is SRPI. SRPI, which is simple relative price indices. Simple relative price indices. So, and it's given as 1 over n summation PN over summation PO. This simple relative price indices is also called simple average relative price indices because it gives the average method of what is happening to the commodities. And this was designed to cater for the inadequacy of simple price index number being affected by units and extremes values. The price of a deep freezer in 1996 and 1997 were 46,000 and 62,000 naira respectively. Compute the price relative using 1996 as the base year. Comments on your results. Comments on your results. Now, if you look at this example, you will discover that the price of a deep freezer in 1996 was 46,000. In 1997, it was 62,000 naira. Now you have to compute it based on price relative. Because I told you earlier that price relative generally is given as the price of a commodity in a given year by the price of a commodity in a specified year, expressed in percentage. So now what is the price of the commodity in a given year? Is 62,000 naira. Here now, even in the question, it has been said that you should use 1996 as the base year. So this is an expo for you. So all you have to do is to write the base year, which is P 1996 by 1997. So you have P 1996 over the price of a commodity in 1997. So whereby you have 62,000 over 42,000 times 100. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 2 year, 2 1, 2 year, 31. How many 21 can you find in 31? 1 point. 31 minus 21, 0. There. How many 21 can you find in 10? Then, how many 21 can you find in 100? 3. Remainder. So remember, you have to leave it in percentage. So it will be 134.8%. Now remember that you have to comment on your result. So what can you say now concerning this? Since you are